socks too.
We have every color but
Valentine
that, right?
color socks? They look like
Silly.
Easter colored socks to me.
All right, so hey guys, it's Audrey and Victoria here from Mom Generation. So Victoria is 4 years old, and this is the cool thing about this toddler stage is she's old enough to understand that it's Valentine's Day, but she's still young enough to really be able to do any sort of craft project on her own. And also, she's 4, so it's not like
And
we
I
can do.
made one for my teacher, Miss Ella.
She did. So
Walk through, William. Come on.
what happened?
He peeked his head in. He's walking around in his room.
Video time. Okay, so we're gonna do a really quick and easy craft, showing parents out there what you can do if you have a toddler at home as well. Now, Victoria loves the rainbow. Every time we see a rainbow, she wants, well, first of all, you'll point it out in the sky if we see one, right? And also, she loves rainbows where she has a bunch of stuff that's like rainbow inspired in her bedroom. Stop. So we were thinking about creating kind of like a Valentine's Day card for grandparents or daddy or her brothers or her teachers
mama.
or a mommy. The first thing she wanted to do, she didn't want to just go for the basic red. Or for you, or for sisters.
Or for cousins.
Or for cousins, for anybody, neighbors, anybody. She wanted to do rainbow colors. So this is what we're going to do, and this is an easy way to do something with your kids, especially if they are in that toddler stage. So she has, how many, let's actually pick up the color of the rainbow. So we have red, and then what? Orange. We're going orange.
Ow.
Oh, I did not need to trip her. Orange. Okay, what's after orange? Yellow. And then green. And then blue. And then you want to do white, brown, or black next. She picked out all these colors. We definitely felt that black and brown weren't Valentine's Day colors, right?
But we just picked those out.
Right, because
We had no purple.
Right, we had no purple. And we have white. Okay, and we
No,
really...
and black.
You want to do black still for Valentine's Day? Okay. We don't have hearts that are full of anything but true love, right?
But we have one heart red, 2 hearts red.
That's our next craft. Okay, so real easy. What we're gonna do now?
Have a lot of eggs.
That's true. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is, as every person out there knows, I hope, how you cut a perfect heart. You obviously fold a piece of paper in half like this, and you take some scissors, and you do the half, right? Do you know this trick? Watch this, Victoria. So
Yes.
mommy's gonna do a half.
Ella does this to me.
Your teacher is so smart. So it looks like what? Like a little teardrop.
Yeah.
Open it up, and we have some hearts, okay? So fan those out. Mom's gonna do the last ones too.
Just like these 2 hearts that we have for
Those
us.
are for the next one.
Since
Put those down.
These almost look like the same, but they're not.
That's
But they're
right.
for the next
Okay, ready?
one.
Fan those out.
Oh, no.
Put all these colors out. Can you put them out nice and neat? Okay, so now we have the next round of hearts. All right. And then the cool thing is too, Victoria, look at this. You can do whatever you want with these scraps, right? How does the back of Victoria's hair look? She didn't let us brush her hair today.
Got a rat's nest.
Yeah. All right, she had a big braid in her hair and bun overnight. Okay. Oh, look at this. You're putting them in a beautiful circle. Okay, so then this is the next thing that I want to do. Ready? So we have all these different colors, right? So now we're making a Valentine's Day right now for our family, okay? So let's write down. And I love these because they're great keepsakes too, okay? To keep forever.
Ow.
So on the first one, Victoria, I want you to tell me who do you love? What's one thing that you just love?
Mama.
Mommy. Okay, so you're gonna, I love mommy. Okay, what else do you
I think
love?
you meant to say dad.
No.
What else do you love? Tell me what else do you love?
Doggy.
I love doggies. Okay, what else do you
I
love?
think you meant to say dad.
No.
Okay, pick the yellow color. What else do you love?
Dad?
Oh, she loves cats. You know, you can also say your brothers or daddy. Okay, what else do you love? Let's do the green one. I love.
Dad.
Elsa.
She loves Elsa.
Dad.
Okay, the blue heart. What else do you love?
Dad.
I love what?
Minnie.
I love Minnie.
Is that
Okay.
another word for dad?
The white one. What else do you love? I love.
Olaf.
She loves Olaf. You're
Yeah.
very.
Here.
You're going down on that ranking system.
Here's
So obviously you get the hint. You just go ask your child because like right now, hopefully years from now, we'll get a kick out of the fact that she did not say dad in the top list.
I love Pikachu.
She loves Pikachu.
Dad.
No, you.
All right, hang on. So this is, okay, so we're going to do Pikachu, but I'm going to show everybody what we're going to do with this really easy, fun, keepsake Valentine's Day craft. I will. So now we're going to take some glue very easily.
I'll grab the Elmer's glue.
Okay, grab it. I actually saw this on Pinterest, and I thought it was a really cute idea. Super easy to do. Obviously, nothing, I'm not like the world's best crafter. My husband knows that, but I can cut a mean heart. So, and then, you know, all this person did, oh my God, I don't even know how to open
Do you know
glue.
how to work the glue?
Here, I'll help.
Wait, no, we can't take the whole cap off. Oh my goodness.
I know. Oh
We should have checked this part before we, it literally is just all stuck down there. Okay, so let's just pretend I'm gluing this, right? And then you glue it to this piece, glue it to this piece, glue it to this piece, glue it to this piece. You obviously,
We have a stapler.
I don't even know if we have a stapler, but when it's
You could
done,
also string those together.
you could string them together. This person glued them, which I thought was easy. The string would be great too. And then this mom hung this up in her house. So it really was a beautiful heart rainbow. She had done a couple of them for her kids. So she had, I think, 3 of them. I just have one with Victoria. I could do it with the boys too. But I love the little answers. And obviously on the back, you put Valentine's Day 2018. So you always remember easy peasy toddler craft that you can do with your child.
Lemon squeezy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? High five. That cap's not coming off. High five. High five. Right, I'm feeling the love. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. No?
I love Dad.
No.